Leave the sticks. Leave the. You need to go more down. You can't see your face. What are you doing? I didn't even touch it. You should go. Leave the damn sticks.
Oh my god.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
I don't know when to start.
I can't start. I can't take it seriously. Hi, how are you guys? So today we will be doing slime. This girl is obsessed with slime. Like, you want to make slime? Every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes. I have no experience in making slime. Wait, no, yeah, I have.
You've made fun with me.
Yeah, I remember the first time I was there when she started making slime. Why are you using? Oh my god, I can't with you. You. What kind of slime will we be making today?
Fluffy slime.
Today we will be making fluffy slime. Let's get
Get on.
started.
First, we're gonna start off by using glue. We do like that, and it's gonna come. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 goals.
Okay, how much?
1 goal.
Oh! Why did I forget?
It's this much glue. Ready.
Okay, now what's next?
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, we got the cornstarch.
Okay.
We're gonna add 1 teaspoon. We're gonna use your handy dandy stick to get it even, and then you pour it. Okay, now your turn.
Oh, my turn. It's my turn. We're gonna get our handy dandy just say it. Stick and slice it off. And then bloop.
Okay, now we're gonna make it disappear. 1, 2, 3. Okay, before we put in the shaving cream,
Now we will add shaving cream.
We gotta mix it first, and then we're gonna
Oh, first we have to mix it.
Yeah, because we added cornstarch and glue. Now we're gonna shake our shaving cream and add. Wait, do you want a pastel color or do you want?
Oh yeah. What was that tip you gave me?
Okay, if you're making fluffy slime, if you want a pastel color, you add the paint first, then the shaving cream, and then mix it up. Or if you want a darker color, you add the shaving cream, and then you add the paint. Or the food color. I want a darker color. What do you want?
I want a pastel color.
Okay, I'm gonna add the shaving cream.
The color I will be using is apricot orange, basically, to match my shirt.
I added shaving cream. Now I'm mixing it.
So how much paint do I want?
I'd like a drop because you added. Oh my god.
Oh, it's true.
Okay, so this is how mine looks because I added the shaving cream. I'm gonna add the paint now. Blue bonnet blue. I'm gonna add 1.
One drop. Why? What is it with you and these mega 1 drops? Okay, how much shaving cream do I add?
Just add. Shh. Oh my god.
You said to go, so I go. Is that good?
No, you gotta make like a pile, dude.
Listen.
I think that's good. I think you're gonna make it too fluffy. Yours is gonna come out like orange.
I know. That's the color I'm going for.
Yellow, like light yellow. That's not,
How much?
I don't know. You gotta squirt it off. That's good, that's good. Oh my god, this is so liquidy.
Didn't it? Because we didn't mix it for like, I don't know.
It
Wait,
has-
did I press record? Can you check?
Oh my god, we're gonna have to add more lotion.
Okay. So
Okay,
now
so
we're
now-
mixing the.
Okay, we're mixing the
Yeah, we're
lotion.
mixing the lotion.
So now we got our activator. We're using Stay Flow.
What does it do?
Liquid.
Hey,
So we got liquid starch or Stay Flow. This activates our slime. It actually makes it into slime. That's what
It
it
makes
does.
it into actual slime.
Yeah,
Like magic.
Yeah, hopefully you don't add a lot because you know it's gonna. No, I'm just kidding. You gotta add a little at a time.
Oh, oops. Whoa, it's already slimy.
So I like to get in with my hands after.
Can I
It's
can I
like-
use my hands out?
If it's not sticking to the walls
To
or the. I call the wall.
Yeah, it's a tear like me crying because I'm going back to
You
school.
got orange.
This is actually really
I'm like
cool.
digging
It's
up
like,
all your.
it's like a stress reliever. Like.
We'll see you back when your slimes are all not sticky.
Oh.
After making a mess, we finally got it.
Yeah, we're finally done with it.
And now-
But that's not it.
Oh my
Have you heard of asmmeerr?
god. ASMR.
Asmmeerr. So yeah, we're gonna do some asmmeerr
ASMR.
with our slime.
Yes.
And yeah, so how do we do this asmmeerr?
Let's go to the transition. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know if you can hear me. Today we have. Wait, don't start yet. And that, my friends, that is asmmeerr. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Slay. And well, yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.